Hey everyone, this is Bryan from Vance Hines, and thank you for joining me for this quick AutoTune tutorial. We're going to scroll down, hit AutoTune, press Continue, select your base calibration, hit Quick Setup, Continue, and go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. Now when the bike comes back online, you will go ahead and notice that you are in AutoTune mode, which will allow us to build new VE tables for your motorcycle and your specific riding style. Good general practices for AutoTune are to run 2 to 3 sessions of 30 to 60 minutes apiece. And this first run is a 39-minute freeway run. Once we get to our destination, we'll go ahead and hit the preview button, which will allow us to look at our VE delta tables, which essentially the changes between where we started and where we've ended. And there's a lot of red and a lot of blue, so we'll hit Apply Learned Values, select Apply, and that will flash the learned values into the motorcycle while keeping you in AutoTune mode for another run. Now this second run leaves from my neighborhood to the Griffith Observatory here in Los Angeles, and it's only 10.5 miles away, but with traffic it took 55 minutes to get there. Again, a lot of slow speed, stop and go traffic, closed lanes, a little bit of lane splitting, so we'll fill up a lot of the lower range RPM and throttle. Now if I wanted to hit the higher end stuff, I would basically have to go take it out to the twisties and the canyons and wail on her a little bit. Now that we're at our destination, we'll go ahead and hit preview again, look at the delta tables, and you'll see I have a bit more green than I did before and not nearly the spikiness of blues and reds, so we'll go ahead and flash this map into the bike, apply learned values, finish, and we'll finalize the map for my cruising range. Thank you guys for joining me on another Fuel Pack Friday, and I'll leave you with a view of the new Torker 450s over downtown LA.